Our next stop on the Great Adventure Road Tour looks like it came straight out of the Wild West. Scott, where did you take us?
This is a little hidden jewel called Silver Reef. It's just outside of St. George, and you guys, there are not a lot of people that know about this area. But what's cool is back in 1866, a guy by the name of John Kemple came into town, spent some time with his buddy down in Harrisburg, says, I'm gonna go out and do a little prospecting. He went out, started digging around in the hills, and found a silver vein in sandstone. When they struck silver, people moved in. There's a Wells Fargo, a cosmopolitan restaurant, a rice building. I mean, this place was packed full. Now, there was a fire back in the late 1870s, and it burnt most of the businesses. And then there was a double smackdown when the world price of silver went way down. It plummeted. And so most of the businesses moved into Leeds, and that's what we have today.
Wow. Now, I hear it was straight out of the movies. There were gunfights and all sorts of craziness going on out here.
This was Wild Wild West, no doubt.
And you can come out today, and they do reenactments of the gunfights, and you can take tours of the mines. It's a fantastic place to visit with your family.
There's also a lot of places to come in and hike, horseback ride, bike. There's some streams here you can catch trout in.
When you're out adventuring with your family, there really is no better way than in a Nielson RV. Show us what you got today.
This is the 2185 Wilderness RB. It says RB for rear bathroom. Come on in. Check out how spacious the rear bathroom is. For a 21-footer, this is just phenomenal. You have the dinette booth, and then the table goes down into a bed. You have the full walk-around queen bed with the dual vanities. Full pantry, 3-burner stove, undermount sinks with the high spigot, flat screen TV. This thing is lightweight. You can tow it behind a half-ton towable. This trailer is really designed for the senior or younger couples with no kids.
A nice romantic getaway with incredible views right out your windows.
Silver Reef, this ghost town, is such an awesome little hidden jewel right in our backyard. Get the kids out, bring the family, and check things out.
And be sure to check out the next Nielson RV Great Adventure Road Tour and see where we stop next.